Okay students, today we talk about the prime number. What is prime number? What is composite number? Okay. So prime number, first of all I will tell you what is meant by prime number. Which number have only two factor, it's called prime number. Okay. Composite number, which number more than two factor, that number we call composite number. Let me see some example, then you can understand what is prime number, what is composite number. First I will take one number 2. If you find the factor of 2, how many factor could you find? Let me see. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. If you write the factors of the number 1, 2, how many factors are there? Only 2 factors are there. Can you find more than this factor? No. So 2 is the even prime number. Why I say is a prime number? Because the 2 has only 2 factor. So that's why I call 2 is a prime number. Let me take another example, 5. If you find the factor of 5, how many factor? Let me see. 1 5 is equal to 5. 5 ones is equal to 5. If you write the factor 1, 5, so how many factors are there? Only 2 factors are there. So 5 is a prime number. If you take and write another example, 7. 1 7 is equal to 7. 7 1 is equal to 7. So 1, 7 is the factor of the 7. So 7 is also prime number. So now clearly you can understand which number have only 2 factor, that number we call prime number. Now I will tell you, I told you many example. So you have to write and tell me which number have only 2 factor. Okay, you do as a homework. Then now I am going to tell you what is composite number. Okay, now definition of composite number, which number have more than 2 factor, the number is called composite number. So I will give some example. Let me take some example 6. So how many factors? So now we will find out. So 1 6 is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then 6 1s are 6. Then 3 2s are 6. If you take and write the factor 1, 2, 3, 6. So here how many factors it's got there? 4 factors are there. So which number have more than 2 factor, that number we call composite number. Let me take some other example. 16. Can you find out how many factors can come this number? Yes, I will tell you. 8 2s are 16. Okay. Then another table. 4 4s are 16. Then 116 is equal to 16. Okay. So is there any other factor? 8 2s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 116 is equal to 16. Is there any other factor? Okay, no. Now I will take and collect the common factor 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So here how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 factors are there. So 16 as a composite number. Why? Because they have more than 2 factor, so we call as a composite number. So you have to write which numbers are composite number, which numbers are a prime number. You have to write a table and write as a homework. Okay. Hello students. Today let me talk about what is factor and what is multiple. Okay. Already we discussed, so we will revise once about what is factor and what is multiple. Then we will move on the next title. Okay. So you know very well what is factor and what is multiple. Let me see some other example. Let me take some example number 24. Okay, 24. And now we want to find out the factor. Now, if you take 2 12s are 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Okay, here 2 and 12 both are factors of 24. 24 is the multiple of 6 and 12 and 2. Okay, another factor 4 6 are 24. Here 4 and 6 are both are factor. 24 is the multiple of 6 and 4. Then another multi-factor 3 8s are 24. Here 3 and 8 both are factors of 24. 24 is the multiple of 8 and 3. Then 1 into 24 is equal to 24. So now you can understand what is factor, what is multiple. Factors means 2 and 12 both are factors of 24. 24 is the multiple of 12 and 2. So this is multiple, this is factor. Now let me collect all the factors of 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, then 8, then 12, okay, 12 and 24. So 24. These all are factors of 24. Okay, now you understand what is factor and what is multiple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These all are factors of 24. Okay, 24 is the multiple of this factor. 2 and 12 is the multiple of 24. Okay, so 24 is the multiple of 12 and 2. Okay, 24 is the multiple of 4 and 6. 24 is the multiple of 8 and 3. Okay, 24 is the multiple of 24 into 1. So these all are multiple of 24. 2 and 12 is the factor of 24. So these all are factors. These all are factors and multiple of 24. Now you understand what is multiple, what is factor. Okay. Let me see some example. Another example. Let me take another example. Now you take 2. 2 is a number. So if you find the factor, how many factors would come? Let me check. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then another 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So this kind of number will have only 2 factors, like 1, 2. Only 2 factors are there. Is there any other factor? No. Because this is a even prime number. Okay, before we saw the example 24, we have many factors. So this kind of number is called a composite number. Which number have only 2 factor? That number called prime number. Okay, if we see some other example, previous video I told you many example, what is prime number, what is composite number. Okay, again I will repeat it to you that prime number is nothing but which number have only 2 factor, that number is called prime number. Okay, then which number have more than 2 factor is called composite number. Okay, so here 24 is the composite number, 2 is the even prime number. Okay. Hello students, welcome to all. Okay, we saw factors and multiple. Okay, we know how to find the factor and multiple, then prime factorization, what is prime number, what is composite number, we saw. Okay, then now where we used factor in our real life. Okay, so it's very important. We are studying factor and multiple. So what is the use? Why we are reading? We learn this factor multiple. Why? Where we use in our real life. You know very well, addition subtraction we daily we use in our real life. But factor where we used. Now I will tell one simple real-time example where we use in factor. Let me take some example. Class A. I will tell some example. Class A has 18 students. Then class B 27 students. Okay. Take example. Class A 18 students. Class B 27 students. These two class we want to give training for sports day, upcoming for sports day. So next month or next year sports day will come. So we have to prepare, we have to give coaching for both team. So we have to divide the team. So how you will divide team? How many teams will come? Each team we have to give equal person, equal people. So how you will divide? I am using factor. So 18 we can find factor. 9 2s are 18. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So 9 people, 2 teams. Here 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. So 9 people, each team 9 people. Okay, but 2 teams. So here 2 teams, here 3 teams. So equal number of people, 9 people. So this is the way we use factor, we find and give the solution. So now you understand where we use factor in our real life. Okay.